Hi everyone, my name is Uzma Ahmad. I am working in Army Public School number 2. I am taking history in class 11 and 2. This video is very useful for you to taking decision about your stream and about your subject. I know that after 12th standard, it is very difficult to choose your stream and your subject because your future and your area of work is depend on your subject and your stream. I want to say you should choose that subject in which you have interest. If you choose humanity, you will have many options, many job options and many future options. I'm taking history, so I want to say something about history and about option which you can choose if you can take history as a subject. So first of all, I want to explain importance of history, and then one by one I will explain option which you can choose with your history subject. Art stream is also known as humanities, and humanities word is derived from Latin word humilitas. Its meaning is humble and society. So art stream is related to society. It is a field of arts and artists. And you know that society always need artists for social development. If you choose art stream and you will take history as a subject, so after class 12th you can do many courses in history. I want to explain you about these courses. First, BA Honors in History. Second, BA in History. In BA, you have choice. You can take ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. This course duration timing in 3 years. After that, you can do MA in History, MSc in Global History, and Economic History. The course duration is 2 years. After completing your graduation in history, you can find many job opportunities. So you can choose your job, your future according to your interest. Here I want to tell you some important job one by one. Now first option, archaeology. The work of an archaeologist can be research based or field related work. You are free to specialize in particular object of study. For instance, you can be an expert on coin called numismatist or an epigraphist who decipher inscriptions. Now second option, museology. Museology are the ones who deal with the design, organization, and management of museum. Their work is filled with research, administration, and public relation. It is very interesting job. Now, third option, museum curators. Museum curator specialize in natural history, metal, terracotta, textile, painting, and other related things. The field requires an artistic and aesthetic bent of mind along with administrative skill. For here, it was being discovered or acquired, its estimate age, conservation, treatment, and such detail. Now, fourth option is archivist. Archivists are expert in preservation. They get work in museum, libraries, the National Archive of India, and in different states. Here you will get smart salary also. Now, fifth option, historian. A historian's job is to study and research history and communicate it through written or published work. To becoming a historian is a bachelor degree in history followed by a master in a specific area such as political history, military history, and many more. In this field, you can get more knowledge day by day. And sixth option, history expert. History expert, there is a tremendous demand for history expert in the movie houses as well who could undertake research work for costume, jewelry, movie set. These experts work closely with both the director and the cinematographer. A history expert can go for a production house as a research analyst as well. Now, in seventh option, teacher. None is wise other than a teacher. For those who have an interest in teaching can share their knowledge by becoming a teacher, either for primary school or for universities. To be a teacher, you need to have pursued history in your graduation and with B.Ed. If you wish to teach at the university level, you will have to complete your master degree and then clear the NET examination. In addition, you can also be employed as a researcher in historical research organization such as Indian Council of Historical Research and Indian Council of Social Science. Now, in eighth option, civil services. History has always been a favorite subject for the civil service exam, particularly the main exam. And you know that mostly GK is covered in history. So know that of study material and the fact that it covers a key segment of the general studies paper.